Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Eyes and Tools.
Today I am testing Luva, an all-in-one creation platform made for creators. The goal of this video is simple: show you what Luva is, why it feels different, and how a creator can actually use it in real workflows.
Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share in the comments which AI you want me to review after this one.
When you open Luva on the web, the first thing you notice is that it tries to keep everything in one place. You are not switching tools every 5 minutes. It brings together image creation, video creation, avatar style features, and a gallery of tools you can use depending on what you are making. The vibe is basically pick a direction, pick a model, create, then keep iterating inside the same workflow. Let me break it down in a creator way. A lot of platforms give you one feature and call it a day. Luva is trying to be your full workspace. That means you can go from I need an idea to I need visuals to I need a short video to I need a final output without leaving the platform. For creators, that is the real value. Less friction, faster testing, and more chances to actually finish something. Another thing I like is the focus on keeping the platform current. Instead of being stuck with one model forever, Luva is built around the idea that creators want access to newer and stronger models over time. So, if you like experimenting and you always want to see what is next, that is part of the pitch here. Now, here is how I would actually use it. First, I would pick one clear content goal, for example, a short viral style product clip, a simple character moment for shorts, or an AI influencer type experiment. The key is not to try everything at once. Choose one format you already post, then use Luva to speed up the creation. Luva's image to video feature makes the process incredibly simple and powerful. I start by uploading a single image, in this case, a photo of a woman training in the gym, then write a short prompt describing the motion I want, and select the Kling 2.6 model, which is currently one of the best options for achieving realistic human movement and cinematic results. After adjusting a few settings like resolution, clip length, and optional sound effects, I click Generate, and within seconds, Loova AI handles everything else, producing a fully realized video clip with natural body motion, accurate muscle movement, realistic lighting, and an overall level of realism that feels almost indistinguishable from real footage. In Loova AI's edit video section, I tested the new Kling 3.0 model by uploading a yoga video filmed in a gym and prompting it to transform the indoor setting into a beach scene. The tool demonstrated advanced person tracking, scene analysis, lighting adaptation, and seamless background replacement, all through a simple and intuitive interface designed for creators. Within seconds, the final result looked completely natural and professionally produced. Now let's dive into the edit image section of Loova AI, where we can upload our own images and modify them exactly how we want. This is where the real magic happens. For this demo, I chose the Nano Banana Pro model, which allows working with multiple images simultaneously. To showcase its capabilities, I uploaded two separate images, one of a woman and another of a man holding hands. Then, I gave the AI a prompt to merge them into a single scene. Specifically, I asked it to create a scenario where both people are holding hands together on a beach. What's really impressive about Loova AI is how it maintains realism and consistency. After a few seconds, it generated four different results. Two of them were absolutely spot on. The composition looked natural, the lighting was coherent, and most importantly, the AI preserved the faces perfectly. There were no unwanted changes or distortions, which can sometimes happen with image editing AI. In the AI avatar mimic motion mode, you can upload your own video and replace the person with any character of your choice. While this may sound simple, many AI tools struggle here, often producing unnatural faces or stiff movements. Loova AI, however, delivers impressive realism with precise person tracking, detailed rendering, and perfect lip syncing. The character moves and speaks naturally, capturing the original expressions and gestures almost flawlessly. In Loova AI's Mimic section, I chose a video and asked the AI to analyze body movements, poses, and gestures. Then replace the person in the original video with the person from my uploaded clip. The AI tracked every movement flawlessly, keeping all poses smooth and natural. Even subtle gestures were perfectly preserved. The other big part of Luva is the tools gallery. This is not just a random list. The idea is that you can discover the hottest tools in one place and quickly jump into creating instead of hunting around the internet. For creators, this matters because trends move fast. If you can spot what is working, take inspiration from real examples, and then build your version quickly, you are already ahead. So, my quick takeaway is this: Luva is built for creators who want everything in one place: video, image, avatar style features, and a discoverable tools gallery. The biggest win is not just one feature, it is the workflow. Less tool switching, more creating, and faster testing of ideas. Loova AI has recently upgraded its plans to include multiple unlimited premium models, including Nano Banana Pro, with the powerful Seedance 2.0 and Seedream 5.0 launching on February 24th, unlocking even more creative possibilities for creators. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.